The pull over safely, vehicle shutting down warning is a critical safety feature in Tesla vehicles. It's triggered by the car's systems detecting potential malfunctions that could lead to unsafe operation. This warning appears on the dashboard, often with a red triangle and audible alerts. It instructs you to immediately pull over and safely shut down the vehicle to avoid hazards like loss of control or system failure. Common causes include software glitches related to autopilot or full self-driving systems, hardware failures such as issues with the battery pack or thermal systems, and sensor malfunctions affecting cameras, radars, or ultrasonic sensors. The vehicle's central computer continuously monitors key parameters such as voltage, temperature, and sensor data. If these thresholds are breached, the system initiates a controlled shutdown to protect you and the vehicle. Regular software updates and maintenance checks are essential for prevention. Many instances of this warning are now resolved through over-the-air software updates. Tesla's latest FSD-supervised V12.5.1, released in July 2025, includes fixes for thermal runaway and sensor calibration issues. If you encounter the warning, first ensure your Tesla is running the latest software. A simple restart might also resolve the issue. If the warning persists, contact Tesla service. As of 2025, around 70% of cases are software-related and fixable remotely. Hardware-related incidents have decreased due to improved battery technology and thermal management. Remember, ignoring the warning can potentially void warranties or lead to accidents.